Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one, we're taking a brief look at the Whop website. I'll be explaining to you guys essentially how can you change your profile picture on Whop for free and fast. So let's jump right into it. Now, first of all, if you haven't already, make sure to log in with your preferred profile. And now once you're logged in on your Whop account, from the homepage, navigate onto the left-hand side menu. And now here you will click on your profile picture. Now to change it, simply hover over your profile pic or avatar right here and then click on edit. And now a little window will pop up from where you will choose your picture. So you'll choose the picture from your PC or from your mobile phone. And once you upload it, that will be your profile picture for now. So simple as that. Once you're finished, you will click on save and all the profile updated settings will be saved. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.